Okay, I've started setting things up. I haven't finished yet, but I wanted to show you a few things. So first of all, this is the stand, and look, you can see it's quite an impressive bit of height there because it includes this water tank, which allows you to store quite an impressive amount of water. So that's clean water, and this is where the dirty water will go. And it looks like we've got a little storage spot here for our little mop pads, for want of a better word. And here is our friend himself, the Deebot X1. And look at this, you can see this little camera. So that's pretty impressive. That's where it does its 3D scanning of things. Underneath, we can see little wheels, the vacuum area, and some attachments there, which will be for these, for the little mop pads. And so you can see there were replacement ones there, or, you know, so you can swap them in and out. Anyway, this is exciting. I look forward to seeing this in action shortly.